Say them plan for me and the family.
Okay, so I don't have a short wig like this, and I really don't think I have this kind of gold eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna do what it do. So this is the picture. You guys already know what red lip I'm gonna be using, or maybe not. And she has no lashes on, just mascara. Interesting, very interesting. All right, so let's just jump right into this. So I'm just going to be taking my Anchor pencil. It's just says crayon cream 2-in-1, and it's extra waterproof, vitamin E, whatever, long lasting. I don't think they're long lasting, but they're really good for brows. So I'm just going to do my brows, and I'm doing my brows how I would typically do my brows. She looks as if she has some ombre brow going there. Alright, so I'm going to go to the Fenty foundation. It's only fitting in 440, and I'm going to set that. And I'm also going to be using Suede for my highlight, and for my low light I'm going to be using Espresso. And to set my foundation, this I'm using, where am it? Okay, I'm going to use the 700 Deep from Black Opal, and as usual my Sasha to set my highlighted areas, which would be Suede. So next to me I should have like a decent full face going on, right? Alright, so on my brow bone I just have my Sasha Buttercup just to help set. Let me blend this down a bit. Alright, so now I'm going in with my stack from Fontana. This is my Inglot stack, and I'm going to take the color, I'm going to turn it this way, 300, which is this color here. And I am wearing cluster lashes, and these are installed myself. I do my own cluster lashes, but if I'm doing individual lashes, those are lashes that go on like each of your own lash, then I get that professionally done, because I don't want to mess with the glue, and I just don't want to mess with that. So yeah, so this is 300, and this is my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. It's really nice and fluffy. It will give me the shape that not shape, but it will cover more ground. Then I'm going in with this color, which is 299. And that's just going to go in my crease, because her eye look is just brown with gold. Then I'm going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills pen brush. It's the one that comes with the palette, and I'm taking 298, and I'm focusing that in the crease, the outside of my crease. Alright, so for the gold, I think oh, she's dark in here as well. So I'm going back in with this color, 299. I'm putting it right there. And a little bit of 298. So I am going to be taking this. Should I take this one, or where is it? Yeah, the 03. Alright, I'm going to take this one, and this is my Milani Golden Light, and it's just a trio. And it's just a trio. And I think I want to use, let's use this color right here. And put that on my lid. And then I'm going to be taking Paris Gold, yeah, from MUA Essentials. It's just a loose eyeshadow, very pigmented though. I need a small brush. So I'm taking my Sedona Lace 904 brush, and I'm going to put that in this area. And then I'm going to be taking Inglot's sparkling dust. Please say yeah, sparkling dust for eyes, face, and all over. And I think I'm going to go right beside where I placed Pirate Gold. And her eyes aren't lined. Well, it looks like she just has eyeshadow. It looks like she just has eyeshadow right there. So I'm just going to... There's a pencil I used to do my brows, and I mixed my brow pencil. I don't know if you guys could tell that it was... This pencil is really, really light. So I mix this with my regular Air Main pencil, but that Air Main pencil keeps on breaking on me, so that's why I don't really use it. Alright guys, so she has just a little bit of glow here and the hair that I'm seeing. I just added this at the side just for a little bit of pizzazz, and I use my MAC double definition skin finish for that. But as I do, I applied my mascara, and the mascara that I use is from Mary Kay, and it's their ultimate mascara. That's all it says. What else did I do? For my lips, I use Riri Woo. Now I was going to use the Stunner lip paint, but this is what they look like, the Stunner and the Riri. The Riri looks as if it has more orange under, like an orange undertone. You see that? This is deeper. See that? Her lips also looks as if it just has a little bit of shadow, but not really. So I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow using this light pencil. And I'm going to add a little bit of shadow using 299. Let me use 299 first. Then 298. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. I just need to have that. If I had that wig, it would have worked. But I'm wearing lash extensions or individuals, so I'm not going to line my eyes, because to get that off with these lashes is going to be hard. So yeah, this is the look, you guys. Oh, and for my blush, I used 296 as well for my blush. So that's the look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me look at her face again. Yeah, she just looks like she's hella bronzed. She just looks really, really bronzed. But yes, this is the look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed my first. See, this is how it looks when it's dried down. You see, it has more orange than this. Looks deeper. Riri Woo looks deeper than Stunner or Uncensored. Right, so that's it for this look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you so much again. Thank you for your support. Our channel has been growing. My Snapchat has been growing. Thank you very much. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Got it good, yeah, Godina. Got it good, me say yeah, Godina. Got it good, good. Got it good, good.